Hey everyone, so today what we will be doing is we will be attempting to solve this geometry problem right here. So it says AB is equals to AC, AD is equals to AE. We are supposed to be finding CDE or X. So we already have that BAD is 3. So this will be a helpful part for our problem in the future. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna scale up this figure a little bit so we can do our analyzing a little bit more clearly. Okay, so based on the data that we had, it said that this side is equal to this side, which means this total side AC, okay? And then this side was equal to this side. Okay, it might look confusing, but remember this single line is for the whole AC line, okay? Otherwise you'll mistake it. So if we take the triangle ABC, just that triangle, here these two sides are equal, which means the two opposite angles corresponding to those two sides are also equal. So which means these two angles are equal. So let's name both of those angles as Y because we don't have an X, or else I would rather name the angle X. So now what we can do is here what we have is a triangle where if we take the triangle DEC, here what we can see is that the side EC is produced to A. So if we take the triangle, it has a kind of similar look to this. So here you have this exterior angle, and here we have these other two interior angles. So when you have an exterior angle like this, and you have the two interior angles corresponding to that exterior angle, you can add these two and you can get the value of this angle. So which means this angle is x plus y. And which means since these two sides are equal to each other, this angle is also supposed to be x plus y. Okay, so now there is a simple thing that we can do to simplify this problem. Let me just erase all these straight lines real quick. Okay. So now we have these angles for now. And now if we take the triangle ABC, this one. Okay, that's not that. It was not the best angle, so let me just try again. Okay, so now if we take this vertex as A, this as C, and this as D, this angle is x plus y plus x, which is 2x plus y. And here the angle is unknown, and here the angle is y, right? So now if we take the other triangle, like here as ABD, here what we can see is that this is a line which is produced till the point C in the triangle ABD. This is produced from right here. So which means the sum of these two angles is 2x plus y. So which means if we take 2x plus y right here, this is equal to 30 plus y. So let's put this equation a little bit more clearly so then we can solve this equation and we might be able to find what is x? Okay, so when we solve this equation, first what we can see is there is a plus y common to both sides, which means we can take those two plus y out. Okay, so now this is actually a really simple equation. What we can do is we can easily divide the complete value by 2, both on the sides, and just like that, when you take the complete value and then you divide that by 2, what will be remaining on the right side is x. And on the other hand, if we go to the other side, what will be remaining in there is 15 degrees. So which means, in other words, x is equals to 15 degrees. So that's the solution to our problem. CDA is 15 degrees. So I hope you had fun solving this problem. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And I hope to see you guys in another video. Take care.